Hello friends, now we are going to study jet parameter. In the previous lecture, we have seen that there are four parameter, that is V1, V2, I1 and I2. Among these four parameters, two will be your dependent variable and two will be your independent variable. In jet parameter, we will see the V1 and V2 will be your dependent and I1 and I2 will be your independent parameter. It means we can write V1 is equal to F I1 into I1 I2 and V2 is equal to F I1 I2, and with the help of proportionality constant we can write this V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. These Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 are our proportionality constant. Now our main aim is to find out these Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. We will find out with the help of two given equation, that is V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. If we have I2 is equal to 0, then this is first equation assume, this is second equation assume. When I2 is equal to 0, the first equation can be written as V1 is equal to Z11 I1. It means Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1 if I2 is equal to 0. And the second equation can be written as V2 is equal to Z21 I1. From here we can say Z21 is equal to V2 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. This Z11 is defined as open circuit driving point impedance whereas Z21 is equal to open circuit forward transfer reactance. In the same way we can calculate the value of Z12 and Z22 when I1 will be equal to 0, then equation 1 can be written as V1 is equal to Z12 into I2, from where we can calculate Z12 is equal to V1 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0, as well as V2 can be written as Z22 into I2, so Z22 can be written as V2 upon I2 when I1 value is equal to 0. So Z12 we can write as open circuit reverse transfer reactance or impedance you can say, and Z22 is equal to open circuit driving point impedance or reactance. So this is how we can calculate all the parameter Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. So I am writing Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. This Z12 is equal to V1 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. This Z21 can be written as V2 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. This Z22 can be written as V2 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. So this is how we can calculate Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. Now we are going to draw the equivalent circuit. Now we are going to find out the equivalent circuit. We have two equation. V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So from here we can write that V1 minus Z11 I1 minus Z12 I2 is equal to 0. And the second equation is V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So from here we can write that V2 minus Z21 I1 minus Z22 I2 is equal to 0. From these two above equation we can draw the circuit. This is Z11, this is plus, this is minus V1, and this is your another voltage source, that is the dependent voltage source, plus minus, and we can write that Z12 I2. This is basically current dependent voltage source, and this side it will be another current dependent voltage source, and this can be represented Z21 I1, and here it will be an impedance of Z2, and this is plus minus V2, and this is I2. So here it is all about the Z parameter. Thank you.